central Georgia, Butts County in central Georgia, central Jasper County in central Georgia, southeastern Newton County in north central Georgia, until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fincherville to near Walkerville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Monticello, Locust Grove, Flavilla, Jenkinsburg, Stewart, Turtle Cove, Ola, Warfield, McKibben, Calvin, Farrar, Eudora, North Alcathy, McElhaney's Crossroads, Indian Springs State Park, Fincherville, and Stark. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.